Don't you just hate it whenever you don't know what's going on with your own beehives? Doesn't it just infuriate you whenever your beehives die of your own miscare?
Did you know that 1% of the bee population has been declining every single year over the past 61 years? And 80% of the food that is on your table is from bees? This was your fault. You're the one who decided to get bees, and now look at you. Look what you've done. You killed the bees!
Well, anyway, moving on. We understand that this is a very common problem for Americans like yourself every day, and we have a simple solution for this problem.
And that solution is BeeFree. BeeFree is a smart beehive monitoring system that collects the information from the hive and gets it right into the beekeeper's hands. This video is a little longer than I thought it was.
Being on LA Tech's campus gives us the opportunity to make BeeFree. Now, being a beekeeper, I know it's crucial to know the temperature and humidity of your hives, and that's why we implemented the temperature and humidity sensor. This temperature and humidity sensor on the inside measures the temperature and humidity of the inside of the hive, and then the one on the outside measures the humidity and temperature on the outside of the hive.
This is the outside temperature and humidity sensor located underneath the hive.
Not being a beekeeper, I have learned from Caden that actually regulating the temperature of the hive is also extremely crucial. That's why we have implemented this nice, sleek, this very nice pump that pumps hot and cold water through these pipes at the bottom of the hive, which would then regulate the temperature for us automatically.
Another crucial aspect that beekeepers like to know is hive activity. So this IR sensor implemented at the base of the hive can track when bees enter and exit the hive.
Another solution that we wanted to create was actually how to track the amount of honey or food that the bees actually had stored up. So in order to do that, we wanted to actually physically weigh the hive. So underneath this plywood, which the beehive is resting on, you can see that there are 4 pressure sensors, one located right here, one right here, one right here, and one, don't show that.
The next problem BeeFree attempts to solve is motion. Sometimes the hive gets jolted or moved, and the accelerometer aids in detecting that. As you can see, the accelerometer There's the accelerometer.
Tilt to the side. Yeah, there you go. Accelerometer.
And this is the Raspberry Pi that collects all of the data from the Arduino and uploads it into Excel spreadsheet and graphs it over time.
So this is some sample data that we collected over the course of 6 hours. You can see temperature in Fahrenheit, Celsius, you can see humidity, weight, and hive activity.
So this is all great and all, and we're talking about, being friendly with the environment, but what better way to make it friendly than a solar panel? As you can see from the back, I've got it plugged in. It powers it solarly. Powers it.
We have a couple of different packages of BeeFree's products. And if you would, please go visit our website, BeeFree Products. And you can kind of see and test out and see which one works for you. And while you're there, why don't you buy some chapstick and honey?
No, Caden. Nobody wants your chapstick or honey. So obviously our product has multiple different engineering disciplines, whether that be biology with the bees, with the pump having a mechanical discipline, all the wiring and electronic parts of this being electrical, the Raspberry Pi being cyber. All of these have combined together to show you the product that is before you.
Today we have shown you BeeFree, our simple and elegant and definitely not overcomplicated product. We've shown you all the disciplines and how we can potentially get this product to the market.
We hope that all of y'all will think twice before you kill your bees, you bee killers. And with the small price of $169, you too can own your bees and actually keep them safe.
Join us on our journey to reconcile the loss, saving one bee at a time.